Guys, today I have big things to talk about. Not only are we seeing one of the most profitable whales with a 100% track record, he's taken action in the market right now. I will show you exactly the positions that he has been taking. Remember, he has a 100% win rate. Also, I'm going to talk about why everything is lining up for a big move, guys. And the direction of the move, I'm going to talk about it in today's video, so make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Also, big updates on my trading strategy, so stay around for that. Welcome back everybody, my name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. And what you can see for Bitcoin is that we are having a nice pump the last 2 days. We're having green candle. We finally broke away from the $112,000 level. Also remember what I said, I want us to close and take out the previous swing high here, which was at $115,200. So we are right now above this point, so that's absolutely amazing. We are above this point right now, so let's see if we can close above this. That would confirm the reversal and the trend shift here even stronger, apart from the W pattern I talked about a few days ago. You can see this pattern right here, breaking the neckline, usually leads into another impulsive move towards the upside. So things are still going completely according to plan. Things are still looking very good. The volatility, the pullback that we saw is just meaning that we are making more gains, outperforming the market as it was buying on the way down here and now taking profit on the way up with my trading strategy. So I will give you a big update here on the trading strategies here in a little bit. As I have made some changes here, but yeah, everything is looking good for Bitcoin. Same thing for Ethereum, a nice pump for Ethereum. You can see that Solana is seeing a nice pump as well. Doge mostly going sideways, but XRP seeing a nice pump. And traditional markets, look at this, traditional markets seeing new all-time highs. So that is also great, as gold is going down and still consolidating at my support level. The money is flowing into the traditional markets, and then they are going to continue to flow into Bitcoin as well. So that's absolutely amazing. Everything is looking pretty good here in my opinion, and I'm still with the belief that we're gonna see the peak in 2026, and until then we're gonna see volatility. But that just means that we're gonna make even more gains and we're gonna continue to outperform the market here. For my trading strategies, quick update, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of these ones with the volatility, they're making more gains. That's great to see. I have added 2 new coins to my dynamic main coins, which is BNB and XRP. And XRP, yes, even though we did have that big pullback, which I got liquidated on, the XRP bot was just doing so incredibly well, and I do think that XRP is going to continue to stick around as one of the main coins for the foreseeable future. And also for BNB, BNB I think is going to continue to do well also, especially now with the pardon from CZ and Binance continuing to make a lot of innovation. And yes, there's a lot of drama with Binance, I understand that, but for BNB, it has always been one of the best performing coins. So I think that BNB is also here to stay. So I'm adding these ones to my dynamic strategies as well. And then I still have the old ones like Doge, Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So that is all great. They're all in massive profit here. And the ones that I just opened right here, I think are also going to be at incredible gains moving forward. So that is all great. And of course, if you want to use these ones, if you want to open them yourself, you can go to the description of this video, sign up to Pionex using this link. You're able to claim incredible bonuses on Pionex. And then you can click on my trading sheet. It's going to open up this page right here, where you can see that I have added BNB. I've adjusted the range a little bit here. But for BNB, you can open up with this link, and then with XRP with this link. But as always, guys, nothing is financial advice. This is just my trading, and this is what I'm doing, and I'm sharing my journey with you. Also, of course, I have my BNB trade over on Tapbit. So this is great. We're going to do more individual trades over on Tapbit. I'm going to close this one pretty soon, the BNB trade here. But also, if you want to manually trade, Tapbit is one of the best exchanges. You have the link right here. They have the best deposit bonuses available right now. So make sure to go ahead to Tapbit, sign up if you want to trade on that exchange. So there's more optimism in the market. Slowly but surely, there's more optimism coming into the market. We're seeing pumps as there's been good negotiations. There's been good news coming out in regards to the trade war. Now, keep this in mind. We are about to see a lot of things happen here. So China just announced a trade consensus ahead of the Trump-Xi meeting on Thursday, and China announced a 1-year delay on rare earth export controls. So this is good for the markets. Also, we are about to see the end of the trade war. We're about to see another rate cut. We're about to see the end of quantitative tightening. So the fundamentals are looking extremely good for Bitcoin right now. And let's continue. The short-term holder cost basis, you see this red line here, has been reclaimed. This is a key level. This means that now the short-term holders are mostly in profit, so they don't have to panic sell. The people that wanted to sell, they already did probably. But this is looking really, really good. And on the charts, on the on-chain metrics, things are looking amazing. Also, if you look at November, November is typically a very good month for crypto. You can see historically, we've been going up 46% on average, median 10%. Also keep in mind that whenever we have had a green September and October, usually November has been also very, very green. You can see here, green, green, green here. You can see these two were green as well, September, October, green November. Here you had 3 years in a row where we had September and October being green. Let's see if October is going to close green. But right now it is green. And if these remain greens, you can see that usually November is very green when we have seen September and October also close in the green. So that is very, very good to keep our eyes on as well. Now, there is a massive whale who has a 100% win rate. So the trades that he is making right now is $170 million long on Bitcoin and the same for Ethereum. Now, keep in mind that this whale has been making trades before. So what trades has he been doing? He was short in the market here at the beginning of October. And when we saw this big crash, of course, he made a lot of gains. And then he has continued to make some trades and he is still long, very long here. You can see the trades here. It's up 7 million on the Bitcoin long, 11 million on the Ethereum long. So that is all great. And he is betting on the market going up. So that's amazing to see. Everything is going according to plan. My trading strategies are doing well. And also remember here with the trading strategies I just opened for BNB and XRP, I'm doing these ones on 10x leverage to keep it consistent with the rest of the positions here, but I would not open it up at 10x leverage. All of my templates, so if you go to the link here and you open up any of these ones, they're going to be by default at 3x. And then of course you can change the leverage if you want by clicking here and then clicking on adjust leverage. But I'm doing 10x, but I'm adding extra margin to make sure that I'm not getting liquidated. So that essentially means that I'm lowering the leverage here by adding more margin. I just wanted to keep it consistent. And why do I have the old ones here at 1x or 10x leverage? Because they were making so much grid profit here, so that the grid profit is acting as extra margin anyway. Okay, so that's why I have it as 10x margin or 10x leverage, because yeah, I just made so much profits on these bots. And the more money that I'm making, the more of the principal I can take out while keeping the same amount of the position, essentially, just adjusting the leverage. So that's why, but if I would start right now, I would start at 3x leverage, maximum 5x leverage, but definitely not 10, because a pullback and you can get wiped out. So be very careful. Make sure to watch my tutorials here at the top if you want to use my trading strategies. But that's all great, guys. That's what I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.